Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Professional Hair Care Systems. Here we have our model Siobhan with her hair. She came in, this is the before picture. She came in from a little bit of rain and humidity from our lovely Atlanta weather. And this is the before, guys. So her hair is puffed up and all that good stuff, ready for a great tutorial. So we're going to go in with shampoo and conditioner from Beauty Hair Care Systems, the Keratin Indulgent shampoo and conditioner. We did deep condition her with the Indulgence mask, so her hair is prepped and ready to go. And then we're going to get right into the blow dry. Here I did add the keratin serum because it helps dry the hair 50% faster. So we're going to go in with the blow dry with the round brush and smooth that out and get all that good shine going. And yeah guys, sit back, relax, and watch this tutorial on how start to finish with a round brush with Keratin Indulgence Beauty Hair Care System. Thanks for watching. Oh guys, I did want to come back in and add that when you see the flat iron part, we are only doing one pass. It is one pass with the flat iron, and then when we go into curl to add the waves, we flat iron her hair on 450 with the Baby Bliss titanium flat iron, and then we actually turn the temperature down to 350 to curl, because I don't believe in curling hair at the same temperature that you would get it flat ironed at. So yeah, here we go. As you can see, that one pass is very important, and then when we go into curl, we turn down the heat to about 350. Okay, all right. As you can see, there's a ton of natural shine just with that one pass. No shine serums or anything like that. We do add a little bit at the end with our Moroccan oil, Moroccan and argan oil from Beauty Hair Care Systems, but that's just at the end, guys, to kind of seal down those flyaways. That's about it. But I want you to definitely pay attention to our process, and if you have any questions or concerns regarding how we do it, why this product is great, please feel free to comment in the box down below, and I'll be sure to answer any questions that you have. But yeah, that's just a little bit of edge control. Any edge control, whatever you prefer, is awesome, but I do use a little bit of edge control. This one I think is by Silky Essentials or something like that. I think I got it from Sally's Beauty Supply. But yeah, anyway, you see a ton of shine here, guys. Her ends are perfect. You don't need to trim the ends because that keratin definitely keeps that hair strong, and it helps stop the breakage from happening, even through the elements and regular styling. Then we added a little bit of texturizing hairspray to just help hold the curl in, and like I said, we turned that temperature down and we curled, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Watch to the end. See the end result, guys. It's mind blowing. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Alright.